Kitcherie, or Kitcherie, is the Caribbean cousin, a descendant, a derivative, if you may, of Kichadi or khichdi, the ayurvedic dish that detoxifies, heals, rejuvenates, improves immunity and energy. It's a recipe that was brought to Trinidad by the indentured laborers who came to work in the sugarcane fields in the 1800s. It has been adapted and has evolved based on local ingredients and infused with Caribbean flavors. If you are used to the traditional Indian version, I hope you enjoy this variation. This simple, protein-packed one-pot meal is not only healthy, but delicious and hearty. My sister and I have personally struggled to make a kichri just like my mom's, so this video tutorial is for us as much as it is for you all. If you'd like to learn more, join me and my family in the kitchen as we learn Mummy's secret to making the best kichri we've ever eaten.
When anybody's mean to you, you kill them with kindness. That's what Jesus said. He loved them. He knew they were going to crucify him, right? But he loved them because he came down to die for them. Yes.
Amen. To make the kichri, first thing we'll do is to rinse the split peas or dal under running water. We'll place it in a saucepan with about 4 cups of water, bring it to a boil and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's cooked but still firm. Remember, it's going to continue cooking later on. Next order of things, Mummy will chop the scallions, about 4 scallions, and grate garlic. This is about 4 huge elephant cloves of garlic, which is normally about 9 regular cloves. Also hot pepper. Mummy loves cooking with hot pepper, so she's using 2 green peppers. Next, she'll chop about 6 sprigs of thyme, and if it's hard or woody, you can leave it on the stem. This herb is called culantro, recao, shadobeni, or bandania. It's very popular and important to Trinidadian cooking. It grows in the yards back home. Cilantro is a good substitute in this recipe. Next, we'll mince the culantro in a mini food processor, and you can do this in a mortar and pestle or chop it finely with a knife.
Wow, I love this one. Kitcherie. Nice. Good. Job done.
While the dal is still boiling, we'll get started on the next step. Here, Mummy is separating the dal from the boiling liquid, and all the ingredients are prepped and ready to go. In a large pot, we will heat about ½ cup of oil over medium heat. Add whole grain cumin, also known as jeera, and you can also add the turmeric at this point, about ½ teaspoon. We forgot, but we added it later on. Once the cumin sizzles and becomes brown, we'll add our chopped onion, about 1 cup or 1 medium chopped onion. After a minute, we'll add our chopped hot pepper. Remember Cousin Mikey? Well, this was filmed about the same time he was here last, and he's having breakfast, leftover Thanksgiving dinner, and he loves ketchup with everything he eats.
With the potato, make it like a shepherd pie.
Have a shepherd pie, 1 layer.
Each, yeah. But I better take. You don't like scallop potatoes? No.
She just wanted another layer of meat.
Yeah.
The edges of the onion is now brown, and we'll add our minced garlic or grated garlic. And give it a good stir to combine. While we're waiting for the garlic to cook and become aromatic, we're all having a snack.
We're doing more eating than cooking here.
Next, we're adding our chopped spinach, and this is 1 package of frozen chopped spinach that has been defrosted. 2 cups of jasmine rice joins the party, and this has been washed and drained. And we'll stir that to combine. Make sure it's evenly incorporated and distributed.
What happened in there? No, I didn't see. What?
You missed the main part.
We'll add the chopped culancho, also known as bandania, the thyme and the scallions, and continues to stir to combine.
Time. Now you have to add now, we have the one color, you have to put some saffron to fry in the oil. We didn't do that, but it's okay.
Because of all the snacking around here, we forgot to add the turmeric powder.
Yeah, man, put this because that's, I mean, pomegranate.
How much was a half teaspoon?
I really want the pomegranate.
And if they were using that, they'd put that first in the oil?
Yeah, and then put it with the jeera.
Garlic on the side.
So fire.
Lower the heat.
We'll add the split peas, which has been separated from the cooking liquid, and we'll stir it well to combine.
Salt, where's the salt? We can have the salt in the food, yeah? Yeah, where's the salt?
Where's the salt, guys? Why?
Salt rice.
Salt.
Start with about 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, and you could add more later on according to your preference.
Let's put salt to taste, right?
Take a little chunksy with the salt.
A chunksy bit? That was not a chunksy bit. Chill it up.
I'm very real treat on the come back from Ireland.
Well, now we just want to be free, Jen. Just free. Growing up, all I had was corrections. Yeah, we are watching. You can't say gyal. Where the
And the
gyal?
one the ice cream and the other said no thank you.
No, thank you.
Because she never heard anything after said no thank you.
No, thank you. If I'm not getting it, why I have to say thank you?
Okay, water for the, measure the cups of water, right? To throw in this now.
Coconut cream. That's a half a block,
Yeah.
right?
Ready for water here now, dear.
What do you want to do?
Roy is eating pomegranate. Put down the pomegranate, everybody. Wow.
1 cup.
So take 2 cups of water.
Wow.
Why?
Why you couldn't fill up 2 cups at one time, right?
No, because it goes like 1.5 it goes to 2.
2 cups of water.
One more, right?
4 cups.
Mm-hmm.
3 cups.
I'll take the 4 cups. Because you want it.
No.
You want it soft.
Yeah, I want it the next cup of water, right, please.
If you want it firm, use 3 cups. If you want it soft,
Kichri have to be soft and moist, like not. If you're making rice and spinach is different. You want it grainy, but this is kichri.
Ria!
Yes,
Where's the camera over here?
I'm
Also
coming.
called mixed rice. Okay.
4 cups of water.
Mm-hmm.
Janata, let me go take the other one.
Okay.
We put salt, that's it.
Yeah, might
Jeera. How much jeera you put? 1 tablespoon?
1 teaspoon of jeera. It might need a little more salt, Ria.
Alright. Oh no.
Yeah, we put it just now, yeah.
5 cups of.
Hi, I'm 17. This is for you guys. All the vegetarian eaters. Here we go. Mixed rice with spinach. Voila. 6 cups of water, yeah. Because 5 ones of her. And you put also the pumpkin rice.
But when you will put in the okra?
Same way I did the spinach and the rice, the same way you do the same thing with the pumpkin. When you want to steam it, because if you're doing pumpkin rice or okra rice, you'll want the rice grainy. So you'll have to
Put
less water so it will steam and it will become grainy and nice. But kichri is a different thing, but this is to be soft. You could have this with a little bit of kichari on the side, or chutney, mango chutney, any kind of chutney that you like. You can have this here. Tomato choka, coconut chutney on the side. All vegetarian. Your fire is not like my fire.
It's not low.
Not very low like here. But I think they should do it. I don't want it to come like yours dry now. But it's good. And that's the lowest fire you have there. Okay. But with this pot it should be okay.
Yeah, we contract a soon pot today.
I am very helpful. I am so helpful.
Oh Jesus.
And don't forget the t-shirt.
Don't forget the t-shirt. People don't. What is that bowl? Is that a soup bowl or what kind of bowl?
Bowling. Yeah, any of those in Trinidad.
They had one in Gulf, but they closed it up.
But they had no more now, right?
No.
That would be a good thing to start up in Trinidad.
They had a skate park in Arima too, but I don't think they still have a skate park.
I don't know bowling out in Trinidad.
Eh?
Like start small.
A skate park.
Let's put a few evaporated cans.
But what about the guy that down by us had this vision, like he gets it, like everybody roller skate, remember? In the street there? That was in Miss Lee, someone Miss Lee bring it down and everybody was to rent it. Yeah. And
In Arima have a roller skate park.
Yeah.
A big.
That's it, my friends. We're removing the pot from the direct source of the heat, and it will continue to cook on residual heat. It still has a little bit of liquid in there, which is necessary so that it does not become too dry once it cools. Thanks to Mummy and all her kitchen helpers, now I know why my kitchri has been so dry all these years. It's just a matter of putting enough liquid and taking it off before the liquid or all the liquid evaporates. Thank you so much for joining us once again. We hope you've learned something new today. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, and leave a lovely comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.